Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to do a quick overview of the February update for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And this update brings a few different changes. We'll hop in here and we'll look at the official changelog down here in software updates and see what exactly is different. So the first thing is the vividness option, which I'll show you guys here in a second after we check this list out. Camera updates, image quality and sharpness optimization code has been applied. So it looks like a little under the hood change there for how your photos turn out. I don't really use the camera all that much. I usually just use it for messaging, like pictures and stuff like that through the Messages app. So most of my photos are taken within that and just sent as a SMS. So they don't really have quality to begin with, just because they're SMS and lower file sizes. So not really something I am noticing there because I don't use the camera that much. Stability and reliability have been improved, and device behavior has been improved, and security has been improved. So some people were having touch issues and touch responsiveness issues. I can't really say that I've had any issues that have been noticeable like that, so no comment on that. Some people do say that this update fixes it. Some people say that it doesn't. So not really too sure about that, but as far as my device is concerned, I didn't have those issues before the update to begin with. So we hop into display here. This is where the biggest change, in my opinion, is. This is the one everybody was waiting for since receiving their S24 Ultras and having that screen that just wasn't as vivid as the previous models, like the S21, S22, S23. They did change this here, so if we go into screen mode and you have vivid selected, there is now an advanced options section right here where you can adjust your white balance. That's always been there, but now there is a slider for vividness, and you can change it here through the 3 different levels. Now if we look here at the red, you can definitely see that the red does get deeper, and that is something that I definitely notice in icons and apps and stuff like that. The colors just pop more here with the vividness all the way up. From what I'm hearing, the third setting here is supposed to mimic the screen vividness of something like the S21 Ultra, and the middle option is something like the S22 and 23 Ultra, and then the first option here is just your stock S24, how it already was. I did change the white balance over here to between cool and medium, so that just kind of, in my opinion, makes it look even more vibrant and just looks better in my opinion. So that is the change. One thing to note is if you have eye comfort shield on or the adaptive color tone, you will not see this advanced section right here. So you will need to turn those off to see this. So if you get the update and you don't see this option, make sure you're not using either one of these features right there, because that will disable the vividness option to change that. So some people were kind of confused about that when it first came out. They weren't seeing the option, and that is most likely why. So that is the February update. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.